Hey guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today I have a scoop because I have not one but two houses for sale on one piece of land. It's a large piece of land. The land in this area called Perla Marina is extremely expensive, and also there's almost nothing left. You can say that the land is for sale for about $120 per square meter because literally the beach is about 3 minutes walk. So really prime investment. So I want to show you the common areas, which is almost the best thing at this place. You have a beautiful pool in the middle. You have two palapas, one palapa that goes with each house. We'll show the houses more in detail in a minute. And you can see that these houses are ready to get working, you know, to get your hands dirty, because the properties, of course, need a lot of work. They're for sale for an interesting price, and you also have the option, we also have the possibility to sell you the two houses separately. So the first house we're going to visit is for sale with the pool, and then the house in the back will be for sale without the pool. And the subdivision will be done by the current seller. So let's have a look at the first house. Like I said, open your mind because it needs quite a bit of work. Also interesting as standard things, the property already has a well on site. In Perla Marina, the delivery of water is not always easy. But in this property, this is not a problem because the water is available on the property. So you'll see nice open and spacious. You'll have a laundry room here. This is the kitchen area and living room. And then you have two bedrooms. This is the first bedroom here. It has beautiful high ceilings, which makes the space look bigger. So, you know, nice and wooden. Built-in closet. And then here you have one of the bathrooms. This is also the bathroom that is shared with the visitors. Like I said, it needs a lot of work, but it's a good property. Some storage on the way to the master. So the master bedroom is nice and spacious, and it walks out to the master bath, which is a little bit weird, but I have a great idea for this house. You have a really small bathroom, but they extended it. But the weird thing is that you need to walk through the shower to go to the rest of the bathroom that they extended. So what I would do with this space is I would finish this off and make this a beautiful spa-like kind of bathroom, and then use the area that is a bathroom now as a walk-in closet. So I think that's really interesting. And you know, you need to have an open mind, but it's really cool. So let's go back out and look at the other house. So this was house number one. We're going to go back outside, and you'll see that the other house is really the same. The house is an exact copy of this one. The only difference is that it doesn't have the extension. The cool thing about these houses is that if you buy them together, I was speaking with a contractor and a decorator, and she gave me the idea of keeping it as one big compound and making the living room bigger in the first house. So giving up one bedroom and just keeping the master. And then with the master bedroom, you would have a large ensuite bath and also the walk-in closet. and extend the living room. So the first house would be, let's say, the master suite. And then this house could be 4 bedrooms, all with a walkout to the pool. I thought that was a great idea. And then you would have a 5-bedroom property in a prime location. Once the property is finished, houses here with this size and this number of bedrooms go between $800,000 and $900,000. So it's really a good deal. So again, same layout, kitchen, then the 2 bedrooms again. With the closet space and then the ensuite bath. And then this is the other bathroom that is shared with the visitors. And then the last bedroom here. So this is the property. This is what we have for you today. Like I said, for sale as a whole. And you know, you will find all the links here below because there is a link for the whole package. And then there's 2 links separately for the separate houses, one with pool, one without the pool. So you know what to do. Check out these links below and all the information and the price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Bye for now.